the medical field of curing cancer.
Or at least curing 55% of cancer.
Well, but 55% is just so magnificent. That's a breakthrough. That is a game changer. That is transformational. You can call it what you want. And, in some ways, the thought of that call at 3, or is there a call-in number? How would you prefer to do this?
I'll get you on the line, then I'll call him. He gave me his cell phone.
Well, Paul, we can never have too much expertise. I can't say we could never have too many people involved, because sometimes people should not be involved, and sometimes people, like I say, too many cooks, et cetera, but to involve organizations like this, it's through these types of discussions that we really uncover opportunity.
Can you tell me about John?
He's very tall. He's a good guy. He's hardworking, dedicated. We have a shared entrepreneurial vision, I would say, which is rare. Most people have zero entrepreneurial vision or the stomach for it, and when they do, they tend to think a little smaller than we do. So we've been a good team, I think, in bootstrapping this little business and bringing it forward.